we are Margarita Bay, and then we stayed one night, and then we met two great guys, and then we are heading the next destination kind of same. So we buddy up, and then a buddy boat, and then 3 boats sailing to Cabo. What's the place? Next destination? Cabo San Lucas? Cabo San Lucas. We are heading to Cabo San Lucas, and then we left around 6 a.m. and now sunrise coming up. Here you go. So that our wind is a little weakened, so we decided to Genoa up, and then our bodyboard is already both Genoa up, and then Sakura is helping Genoa up, and she's a very hard worker. You wanna say something, darling?
No, I am busy right now.
Yeah, she is very busy, and I will show her around. Look at her hard work. Show your face, please. Yeah. See you later.
So we have a visitor. He's just decided to just chill out on the radar, and his buddy wants to take.
Be nice to them. They're tired and they need a rest.
just got tuna. I'm going to show you the tuna. Even though I like. So this is the tuna.
Hi everybody. We caught we thinking that this is yellowtail fish. The famous arch, the Cabo San Lucas, Cabo San Lucas. The orange sea lion on the rock too. Here's the captain.
The arches of Cabo San Lucas. Pretty fabulous.
The one thing, this town is beautiful and everything, but it's the anchorage so rocky, locked up. It's really rocky and not stable. We completely not liking those. But anywho, this is nice. We just off from Dingy Dock and then we are walking. We are finally, after for a while, we got on the land and walking. This is a quite zoo and then like so many people and tourists here.